In this video, we're going to measure the height of this tree model utilizing the tangent method. This model represents a wide-spreading tree on flat ground. The first thing we need to do is determine where the top of the tree is. The top is right here. And then we need to determine the point on the ground directly below the top, which is right here. And from there, we're going to measure a distance to a point that we could see the top of the tree. And in this case, let's use 18 inches. Okay, essentially we're creating a baseline. The actual baseline is right here at eye level. And the next thing we need to do is take an angle measurement to the top utilizing a clinometer. In this case, it's 49.4 degrees. Alright. And from there, we just need to do the math and determine the height above eye level. So with our scientific calculator, let's take 49.4, press tan, multiply by 18, which gives us a vertical height from eye level to the top of the tree of 21 inches. Now in most cases we would also want to do a tangent-based measurement to the base. Since we're on flat ground, we can actually do that directly, which is 2 inches. So now we know that the total height of the tree model is 23 inches. And let's take a look at the right triangle that we created. Okay. Okay, so again, our tape measure is the baseline. Okay, and there's our right triangle. And that's why it was so important to find the point on the ground below the base or below the top of the tree so that we had a true right triangle and the trigonometry would work. It would not be appropriate to stretch the tape all the way to the base of the tree. That would create a right triangle much too big. And at 29 inches, it would be the same angle. So I did the math on it, and that would work out to a calculated height of 35.8 inches for the tree instead of the correct height of 23 inches. One additional thing I'll point out is in the field it can be difficult to determine where the top of the tree is. So in a future video we'll talk about some methods for that. We'll talk about the sign method, utilizing a laser rangefinder, and it'll be a lot easier to find the top that way and actually a lot more accurate as well.